Welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you some possible fixes to solve the issue of your Windows 10 search bar freezing and crashing. When you click on the start menu or start typing in the search bar, the whole start menu might just disappear. I know this has happened to me on a few occasions in the past and it can be frustrating. Firstly, we're going to check if Windows 10 is updated to the latest version. If you want, you can skip this section for now and try the other solutions first. To check, go to Settings by clicking the Settings icon in the Start menu. If even that doesn't work, you can get there by right-clicking the taskbar at the bottom, then click on Taskbar Settings, and then Home to get to the main settings page. Click on Update and Security, and then check for updates. Install the latest update if there is one. If Windows detects an update but it won't install, I have a video on how to fix that. The link will be in the description. The next potential fix will be to go to the Task Manager. You can get there by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Find the process called Cortana and right-click on it and select End Task. Now try searching to see if that solved the problem. If it didn't, we'll continue to the next fix. We're now going to try and see if Windows can find the problem by troubleshooting search and indexing. Go back to the main settings screen and this time click on Search. Then go to Searching Windows, which is in the menu on the left. Scroll down to the bottom and select Run the Indexer Troubleshooter. Allow this to complete and follow any suggestions it has. If Windows didn't find any issues, we'll continue with the video. We're now going to check if the Windows Search Service is running. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager again. Click on the Services tab. It should be the furthest right. Scroll down in here until you find Windows Search. The name of the service might be WSearch, but it should say Windows Search in the description and it will be near the bottom. It should say running in the status section. If it says stopped, right-click on it and select Start. If it was already running, you can try right-clicking on it and selecting Restart. If that didn't help, stay in the Task Manager and click File this time in the top left. Then click on Run New Task. Click the box that says Create this task with administrator privileges if you can. Then type in PowerShell as all one word. Click OK and a blue box should open. In here, you need to input a specific message. I'll leave this in the description. It starts with Get-AppXPackage. Copy and paste this in from the description of this video and hit enter. Allow this to run. It might show a lot of text, including some in red. It may take a while, but once it's done, try to search again. At this point, it's recommended to restart your PC as that might now fix the search issue. Feel free to do that now and come back to the video, or you could try the next solutions before restarting. It's up to you. To try the next solution, go to the Settings again and click on Search. Then Searching Windows from the left. This time click on Advanced Search Indexer Settings, which is in blue. Next, click on Advanced, and then Rebuild, and OK. This process is likely to take a while depending on your PC and the number of items indexed. The final solution I have, if the others have failed, is to go to the Task Manager again and click on the Details tab. In here, find Search UI and right-click on it and select End Task. Try searching now to see if that fixed the problem. Those are all the solutions I have. I really hope one of them managed to work. I will try and keep the description updated with other solutions as I find them, and always check the comments for suggestions too. If the video helped, hit the like button and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.